Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com. Scrapingdog is a web scraping API through which you can scrape any website without getting blocked. So, Scrapingdog has two kinds of scrapers. Like, first one is the general scraper through which you can scrape any website, and in return, you will get the HTML data of that website or of that particular web page. And then second, we have dedicated APIs. Like we have APIs for LinkedIn, LinkedIn Jobs, Amazon Reviews, Twitter, Zillow, data center. We have data center proxies as well. Then we have bunch of Google related scraping APIs like Google Search APIs, Maps API, News API, Finance API, videos, images, etc., etc. So once you sign up, you will be redirected to a dashboard, and the dashboard will look like this. Now I am on my general scraper. Let's say I just want to, scrape my home page. So I will just paste it over here and I'll just click on try it. So it will scrape the complete HTML of that web page, of this web page, and then you can parse this HTML to extract useful information inside your working environment. The if you want, if you are coding in Python, then you can just copy this code. If you're coding in Node.js or Java, we have ready-made snippets for every language. You just have to copy, and then you have to just paste it in your working environment. So this is not it. Like earlier I was talking about dedicated scrapers, so we have dedicated scrapers for Google search as well. But let's try that. So let me just put any string, let's say pizza. So you got the results in JSON format. So similarly, we have a Google Maps API in which you will get data in JSON format. Then we have a LinkedIn scraping API in which you just have to pass the profile ID of any particular individual and you will get the data in JSON format. So, and if you have any custom project requirements, then you can of course email us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.